Hello, students. How are you today? I hope you are doing great and studying hard at home. Okay, so today we have another grammar lesson. Okay, today shouldn't be too difficult. This is basic grammar, but very useful. Okay, and not many rules today. So look at your screen and let's see what we will learn today. Okay, so today we will learn language for lesson 8 in your textbook. She has short, straight hair. Okay, lesson 8. She has short, straight hair. And I am breaking the lesson into two parts. Part 1, we will learn about the present continuous tense. Okay, this will be an introduction to the present continuous tense, and I will briefly tell you about tenses as well as a review. And in part 2, we will learn about describing people, how to describe people, what they look like, and what they are wearing. Okay, so let's begin with part 1, present continuous tense. Okay, tenses in English. In English, we use many tenses. Tenses tell the listener if we are talking about the past, the present, or the future. Tenses give us a time frame. They tell the listener when we're talking about. We do this by changing our verbs. Okay, remember verbs are can be action words, and they can also be like the be verb, which is a linking verb. Okay, so here are some examples of tenses. Okay, so I was bored. Oh, let's get rid of that. I was bored. This is past simple. See, when we see the word was, we know we're talking about the past. I was bored. Okay, maybe now I'm okay, now I'm happy, but in the past, I was bored. Okay, this is past simple. In the present simple, we can say, I am bored. Okay, so right now, I am. At the moment, I am bored. This is the present simple. So present means now. And I will be bored. I will be bored. So when we see will be, we know that we are talking about the future. Okay, so by changing this verb to past simple or present simple or future simple, we know when in time we're talking about. Is it something that was in the past, something I am feeling now, or something I will feel in the future? Okay, so this is with the be verb. And here are some other examples using an action verb. Okay, so I ate some delicious chicken. I ate. So this is the past simple of the verb to eat. Okay, so I ate some delicious chicken. We know that this happened in the past. Past simple. I am eating some delicious chicken. This is what we will study today. This is called the present continuous. Present continuous. So we have am here. So we know we're talking about something that is now. Okay, and continuous we will learn about next. It means that something is in action at the moment. Okay, and last one, I will eat some delicious chicken. So we've changed the verb eat to eat into will eat. So when you see the word will and a verb, we know that we are talking about the future. Okay, future simple. So I ate is past simple. I am eating. So we got am. This is present continuous. We have ing, that's continuous. And I will eat. This is future simple. Okay, so let's learn a little bit more about the present continuous. The present continuous tense. We use the present continuous to talk about things that are in action. That means things that are happening, things we are doing right now. Okay, so I am teaching English. Right now, I am teaching you English. Okay, and you are studying English. Okay, so we have am and are. When is this? This is now. When we say present tense, we're talking about now. And continuous means in action. When you have the verbs like with ing on the end, we're talking about an action, something going on at the moment. So let's see. I am teaching English. So here's the past. Here's the future. We use this kind of sentence, the present continuous, to talk about things that are happening now and they're in action. Okay, I started teaching 8 minutes ago. And at the moment, I am still doing it. I am still teaching. It's in action now. So I am teaching English. Let's compare that. Here is the past simple. I played soccer. So we know that's in the past and it's finished. I played soccer. It's done. It's not happening now. Future simple may be something I plan to do later or is definitely going to happen. I will play soccer. So this is future, something that will happen in the future. It's not happening now, and it didn't happen in the past. This is future simple, so it's a future plan or something that will definitely happen in the future. And present continuous, so am is present, and playing is a continuous. So we know I am playing soccer is an action happening now. Okay, so an action happening at the moment in the present time. Okay, so the grammar to make these sentences is simple. It's not too difficult. Okay, we have our subject, colored here in green, our subject, who or what we are talking about. We have our be verb, and this is in the present simple tense. So in the present tense, so we have am, are, is. Okay, these are the three we will use today. And we have our action verb goes here. So an action verb, something you do. So we can say eating, drinking, fishing, swimming. Okay, so I am eating. You are drinking. He is swimming. Okay, remember, like we've covered before, you need to match the subject with the correct be verb. So I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. Okay, and then add your action verb. Okay, so let's look at some examples using this structure. Okay, so I am teaching. I am teaching. I is the subject. Am is the be verb, matches. Teaching. This is the action happening now. I am teaching. You are studying. Okay, so we have your subject, you, matching be verb, are, you are studying. This is the action happening now. She is eating. She is eating. Okay, so it's a girl, and this is what she is doing right now. Okay, so this is a boy. We can say he. And what is the action? What is he doing right now? Yeah, he is reading. He is reading. Okay, we got two girls, so we can say they. Be verb, are, they are. And action, playing. They are playing. Okay, so we're going to use the subject we. We. Be verb, are. And what's the action? What's this action? We are cooking. We are cooking. Okay, and or many people, we will use the subject they. Okay, they. Yeah, they are. Okay, an action. Running. They are running. Okay, so they are, this means now, running. They're running. Okay, we got two cats. They are fighting. They are fighting. The cats are fighting. So here we have a plural subject. So we put the cats. Don't forget we have S. And we need to match it with the plural be verb are. They are fighting. The cats are fighting. Okay, so let's move on to our grammar. And we want to add a noun, an object, onto this sentence to give more information. So, I am eating what? What am I eating? I am eating pizza. Okay, so remember a noun, an object, is a thing. So we put our thing here. Okay, so let's look. I am teaching English. I am teaching English. You are studying English. You are studying English. Okay, so it's a girl. We can say she. Be verb is action, eating. And what is the noun? What is the thing she is eating? Yeah, chicken. So she is eating chicken. This is the object of the verb. So it's a boy, he. Present, be verb is action, reading. And what's the noun? What's the object of the verb? What is this thing? Yeah, it's a book. He is reading a book. He is reading a book. Okay, they, be verb, are playing. And what sport is this? Soccer. They are playing soccer. So this is the noun. This is the object of the verb. We. So we are cooking. And what is this? What is this food? Pasta. We are cooking pasta. Okay, so they are running a race. They are running a race. Okay, so it's your turn. I'll put that in there. Oops. Okay, it's your turn. Turn these prompts into full sentences. Okay, so I want you to pause your video, read the prompts, and try to write full sentences. Okay, and then when you've finished, you can play the video and come check your answers. Okay, so we'll do the first two together. So let's see. We have I cook pasta. So we have I, come to your subject, I. So we need the be verb in the present. This is now. I am. Cook. So we're going to change it to cooking. And pasta. Pasta. So I am cooking pasta. Okay, next one. You. So find you in your table. So you. Be verb in the present. Are. Verb. So we have play. So we say playing. Playing. And our object noun, tennis. So you are playing tennis. Okay, so finish these and let's check together. Oh, and importantly, don't forget singular subjects, one of something, we use is. And more than one, plural, we use are. Okay, so be careful. Okay, so let's check. I cook pasta. I am cooking pasta. You play tennis. You are playing tennis. We watch movie. We are watching a movie. Don't forget your article a means one. He eat sandwiches. He is eating sandwiches. They make birdhouse. So this is one thing. Don't forget. So they are making a birdhouse. So we need the article a here. She study math. She is studying math. And the cats drink milk. So we change it to the cats are drinking milk. So we have a S here on the subject, which means it's plural subject. So we need the be verb are. The cats are drinking milk. Okay, if it was just one cat, let's say it's one dog, singular, we would say the dog is drinking milk. Okay, so if it's just one of something, we use is. Plural, are. Okay, so making questions. When you want to know what someone is doing right now, we can ask, what are you doing? We can ask a following up question using a verb. So, for example, what are you reading? You can be specific and change the verb here to anything, any verb you like. What are you eating? What are you drinking? What are you watching? Okay, so let's look at the grammar. So we put our question word, what, our present be verb, am, are, or is, our subject noun, so it might be you, he, she, it, and verbing, so our action word plus ing. So here's an example. Hi Lisa, what are you doing? So what are you? Remember, these need to match. So I am, you are. What am I doing? What is she doing? So what are you doing? It's our verbing word. I'm cooking dinner. What are you cooking? So this is more specific, a follow-up question. I'm cooking pasta. Okay, so in the textbook, the present continuous is being used to describe people. So we will look at some examples how to use the present continuous to describe people. Okay, look, there's my brother. Oh, but many people. So how do we know who? Oh, which one is your brother? So which one? He is playing a guitar. So this is an action, what he is doing. And he is wearing a white shirt. Yeah, okay, so this is her brother. This is her brother. He is playing a guitar and he is wearing a white shirt. That's the man who stole my lunch. Here's a lunch. Oh, that's the man. Oh, can you describe him? What is he wearing? Okay, so he's made a question and the verb wear. So what is he wearing? He is wearing brown shoes. Okay. He is wearing sunglasses. He is wearing white pants. And he is wearing a blue jacket. Okay, so there's only one man wearing brown shoes, sunglasses, white pants, and a blue jacket. You stole my lunch. Okay, great. Okay, so I am breaking this into 2 videos. So if you need to review the the present continuous tense, re-watch this video and practice the language. Okay, and once you've got it down, I want you to move on to part 2. Okay, so good luck and fighting, and I'll see you in part 2 of the video. Okay, see you.